Dear students and teacher, I am Mahesh HM. I am teacher in Bharati School of Excellence in Bharati Nagar, Madur Taluk. I am teacher in social science and this is an effort to teach you all multiple choice question chapter wise in social science. Dear student, the SSLC board has changed examination pattern. Now we have to 40 marks multiple choice questions. These questions are taken from the content of textbook. You need to study 31 lesson in detail. Earlier, you used to answer 3 or 4 marks question. At least you to gain 1 or 2 marks. Now MCQ, if you know the answer, you get a marks. Otherwise, it goes out of your hand. That's why in this lockdown period, I tried to help you answer different types of multiple choice question chapter wise. Today we discuss the fifth lesson, Geography, Indian Forest Resource. Let us go, children. The first MCQ questions. These forests are found areas of heavy annual rainfall exceeding 250 centimeter. Which one is the right answer? Say option C, tropical evergreen forest, scrub forest and grassland, tropical deciduous, mountain forest. See, the right answer is the tropical evergreen forest are found areas of heavy annual rainfall exceeding in 250 centimeter. The second one MCQ question. Forests are dense and the trees grow to great height. These types of the forest are scrub forest and grassland, the tropical evergreen forest, mountain forest, tropical deciduous forest. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is tropical evergreen forest are dense and the tree grow a great height. Third one MCQ question. These forests are found in areas of annual rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeter. Tropical evergreen forest, scrub forest and grassland, mountain forest, tropical deciduous forest. See, you know the answer very well. Tropical deciduous forest are found areas of annual rainfall 100 to 200 centimeter. MCQ question number 4. The plants and trees in this forest vary increasing altitude. Which one is the right answer? Tropical deciduous, tropical evergreen forest, scrub forest and grassland, or mountain forest. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is the mountain forest. Plant and trees in this forest are increasing altitude. The fifth MCQ question. Mangrove forest be grown along the coast to prevent. You know the answer very well. Look at this: coastal erosion, coastal sediment, none of the above. Which one is the right answer? Coastal erosion. These forests are grown along the coastal erosion, prevent the coastal erosion. These forests do not shed their leaves. These forests do not shed their leaves all at the same time in the year. Tropical deciduous evergreen forest, scrub forest and grassland, tropical deciduous, none of the above. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is tropical evergreen forest don't shed their leaves all at the same time in the year. And seventh one MCQ. Monsoon forests are also known as tropical evergreen forest, scrub forest and grassland, tropical deciduous forest, mountain forest. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is the tropical deciduous forest are also known as a monsoon forest. Eighth one MCQ question. The Himalaya have these types of forest. The Himalaya have these types of the forest. Very easy. The Himalaya have a mountain forest. The Himalaya region have a mountain forest. Ninth one MCQ question. The mangrove forest are mainly found in. The mangrove forest are mainly found in the delta of the river, scrub forest and grassland, the tropical deciduous forest or mountain forest. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is the delta of the river. The delta of the river is the right answer. And see the 10th one. The Nagarjuna Sagara Wildlife Sanctuary is in which state? Karnataka state, Telangana state, Tamil Nadu state, Maharashtra state. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is the Telangana state. 11th MCQ question. These forests are found in areas of annual rainfall of 60 to 100 centimeter. The delta of the river, scrub forest and grassland, tropical deciduous forest, mountain forest. The right answer is scrub forest and grasslands are found in areas of an annual rainfall of 60 to 100 centimeter. And next one, 12th one, that these forests are found in areas of annual rainfall of 10 to 50 centimeter rainfall. It's also very easy. Desert vegetation, scrub forest and grassland, tropical deciduous, mountain. Which one right answer? Right answer is the desert vegetation are found in area of annual rainfall 10 to 50 centimeter. These forests are growing the less forest region. 13th one, the trees and plants grow on the slope of the mountain. The trees and plants are grow on the slope of the mountain. See which one is the right answer. See, look at this. Mountain forest. The mountain forest are the trees and plants are grow on the slope of the mountain. And next one. The wildlife sanctuaries of Tamil Nadu. The wildlife sanctuaries of Tamil Nadu is known as the Dandeli, Annamalai and Madumalai, Bhadra, Nagarjuna. Dandeli, Uttar Kannada, Bhadra, and also in Karnataka, and Nagarjuna in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. See, right answer is Annamalai and Madumalai is the wildlife sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. And 15th multiple choice question. The wildlife sanctuaries are Dandeli, Bhadra, Talakaveri in Bihar Hills. See, these answers are also very easy. Direct question. The Karnataka wildlife sanctuaries are Dandeli, Vanyajeevi Dana, like a wildlife sanctuary, and Bhadra, Talakaveri and Bihar Hills. And 16th one MCQ question. There are about wildlife sanctuaries in India. The number of wildlife sanctuaries in India: 99, 523, 18, and 110. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is 523. At present in our India, 523 wildlife sanctuaries. See, there are about national park in India. The number of national park in India is the 99, 523, 18 and 110. Which one is the right answer? At present, 99 national park in India. 99 national park in India. There are about 99 national park. The number of biosphere reserve in India. The number of biosphere reserve in India. It's also very easy. 18 biosphere reserve. 18 biosphere reserve in India. And MCQ number 19. The first national park in India. The first national park in India is the Amshi National Park, J.M. Corbett National Park, Kanha National Park, Madhava National Park. Which one is the right answer? You know the very well. The right answer is J.M. Corbett National Park. And 20th question. The first biosphere reserve in India came into existence at eagles in 1986, Aravali, Nilagiri, Satpura, Anantagiri. Which one is right? Nilagiri eels is the first biosphere reserve in India come into existence. This is the right answer. Dear students, thank you one and all. In this chapter we discuss about the 20 questions. I hope you understood in this question. Let us discuss about the more questions in next video. Thank you.